This is a Bosch premium cabin air filter. It's a HEPA filter. It's a paper element filter, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it inside your car or truck. So a lot of people want to know what a HEPA filter is, and all it really means is this filter, the element in here, it has a certain structure to it. It's like a paper filter media, but the way that they structure the fibers in here, this filters particles down to 0.3 microns, which the manufacturer tells us that basically is the particle size of cigar smoke. So that's why I like these. It helps filter out some of the smells that might be in the air, but definitely filters out some of the dust, maybe pollens that could possibly get into the air intake. And I love using these in my truck. You know, you just pop them in, change them every season, and they're going to help keep the cabin air nice and fresh and breathable. So today we're using a Ford F-150 as an example. Here we have two little tabs on the glove box door. You just press them in from the outside. It'll let the door come down to 90 degrees to the dashboard. Then you just give it a swift pull out to release the 3 tabs. Inside you'll find a little door like this. There'll be a tab on either side, which will allow you to lift it back and pull the bottom tabs out, revealing the filter element. Now this is a filter element I replaced about a year ago. As you pull it out, be careful not to spill the leaves and pine needles that might be on top. Now I replaced this about a year ago. I should do it probably every 6 months, as this element started out all white and you can see all the dust has turned it very dark. So I got this one on Amazon. It's a Bosch HEPA filter, which I showed you earlier. You do want to make sure you put it in the correct direction, and there are arrows showing the direction of the airflow. Also, in this application, the logo of Bosch faces correctly so you can read it. Once you get it in there, you just pop the door back on the same way you took it off. You may have to hold the wires out of the way to get those bottom tabs correctly seated. Once you pop that in, you can reverse the steps to get that glove box door on. So don't wait. This is easy for you to do yourself. Just throw this in your cart on Amazon. It'll be to you in a couple days and you'll have fresher air to breathe inside your truck. It's something, once you do it once, you'll be able to do it very easily. I highly recommend this filter. So I hope this video helped you.